It's me, Mario. I'm a good friend of Tigger's. He played my video game for years, but the Goomba likes to play as a Yoshi. Anyway, he asked me to narrate his video, so how could I say no way? So my friend Tigger downloaded the app Rever. He thought he would return Rever to his videos. It was difficult to line up the video with the Rever, but I think he did pretty good for his first time. So Tigger makes the drive on the motorcycle. He starts at the app Rever and he drives. The Rever app does the rest. This guy's so smart in him, I have to hide my Princess Peach on him. Or she gonna leave me for him.
Mario, why have you not introduced me to your friend Tigger? He is so handsome and smart. Is he single?
My Princess Peach, no. He has a good woman. What's the matter with you? Anyway, let me get back to the video and leave the poor man alone. So the program Rever has many options and many modes to go into. It's a cheap back of the piece. You can record your drives and share them with your friends. Luigi and me do this when we are aboard the Mario Kart track.
Mario! Aren't you going to tell everyone about our new movie?
Bowser, it's a Bowser. No, I'm not gonna speak about the new movie. Tigger's new movie is much better than mine. And now with this new upload Rever, his videos are going to be getting better and better. How can I compete with that? In about 20 seconds, we are gonna see some cutting-edge viewing angles, better than movies. Bowser, why would people watch our movie when they can watch Tigger's videos for free on the YouTube?
You have a point, Mario. I'm gonna go steal Princess Peach, no, not steal Princess Peach, definitely not to them. Mario, I will see you later.
The program Rever has participation rides, recommended rides, communities, and ways to meet other local bikers and join them on rides. It's everything that your motorcycle needs for mapping. So to wrap this video up, Rever is a unique mapping interface. It's not easy to use with your video. But like anything, it's a skill to learn, and once you learn it, it's your video. So thank you for watching Tigger's newest video, and remember to like my video. And remember to subscribe, as Tigger will be having many more celebrities like me narrating his videos. So for now, I'm gonna shut up with my face and let you enjoy the amazing video angles that Tigger captured. Mamma mia, this was so much fun to make. So why you're not a subscriber yet? Bye-bye.